Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to share with you just a random Aliexpress nail art haul. It isn't a huge haul that I usually do because normally I just gather a lot of my different packages which I've ordered and just show you in one big collective nail art supply haul. But now I just got one package in today, and that one was of about 14 euros or something. So I just wanted to show you from one seller only what I got, and the seller I did get everything from is Beauty Lady Nail Art Store. But I just wanted to show you all I got, and I got actually the prices written down as well, what everything is, so I can actually tell you the exact prices in euros. But here we go. So the first stuff I got were these, and this was a set of like a nail drill to put like little holes in your nail to actually pierce your nails, and I thought that was such a cool idea. And I've seen this before like on a lot of different nail artists and just nail technicians and stuff, that they actually do this to like fake nails, but I actually want to do it to my own nails when they grow a little longer, and just before I have to cut them short again, or like shorter to this length, I will pierce my own nails on a video if you would like to see that. So do let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see that, so that in about a month or 1 to 2 I will have to shorten my nails again, and then I will pierce my nails with this little drill. And this set cost me €2.34 in total. This is like a bigger like nail wheel. Usually I get like the big ones with like the pearls and stuff, but now they just put all the little gold colored piercings in here, and it's a decent amount of how many you get. And of course you don't pierce every nail, I think that's a little bit too much and you would go a little overboard with that, but just one on your pinky or your index or something would be pretty cute if you ask me. I don't know if this will work out perfectly on natural nails, because you know natural nails, they might split, they might tear, and that's why I'm going to try this out on my own natural nails just before I am going to shorten them again. But I do feel like these look pretty cute, and if this works out well, I will actually order like silver colored rings as well, because I'm more of like a silver girl than gold. But I just picked this one because the drill was in here as well. Then I also got some nail wheels, and I'm just going to unpack these really quickly. They have the flat backing, so they stick to the nail really well. They're not like hollow inside or anything, but this is what they look like. So I just got the mixed one. I was like, I will use gold and silver, so why not get that? And it was only 75 cents, so good deal if you ask me. I also got a little like wheel with some tiny black and white pearls, so these are really the tiny ones. I think they're even tinier than the ones I got right here on the nail, but that's a good thing because I have more of the bigger ones than the smaller ones, and these I bought for 99 cents. Then the next wheel I got is one with multicolored micro beads, and as you can see, these are more like a gold and silver mixed. These are like a black and like a silver like gunmetal color, and these are all multicolored, so you have some blues, some gold, some reds, little silver, just a little bit of everything. But they are really pretty to work with, and I can't wait to try these out in like a gunmetal like nail art or something like that. And I got this one for, let me see, 96 cents. Then next up was this set, and you could actually purchase them separate from each other, but I wanted both colors because I think they're really pretty and really spring and summery like. And I got these in a set for €3.47, so it's a little bit more than I would usually pay. I don't want to pay more than €1 for like a wheel like this, because it is a smaller one, especially when you compare it to like the wheel where all the little piercings are in. but I did really like the way these looked, and then for not even €3.50, I think they were pretty cool. And these are all like different shapes and size, like little stones, and I think these will look really pretty if you make like a mermaidy kind of nail art, and these just look really summery and nice. So I think I'm going to make some pretty cool designs with these. Oh, I'm sorry, my camera's going all crazy. But I'm really looking forward to working with these. Next up are some unicorn skin sheets, or I don't even know how you want to call them. They're like opalescent, they're a little bit holographic. There's supposed to be 6 sheets in here. I haven't checked this one yet, but these are like stickers. You can cut them up a little bit and just add them to your nail design. And let's just see, I paid 99 cents for these. Ooh, this one is pretty. Just look at that. That's number 2. Number 3, this one, they seem to be kind of like the same. And oh, they're not the same. This one has like a greeny yellowy flare, and this one is more of a blue. Then we have an orangey red, a light yellow with like a purple glow, and a hot pink with more of like a greeny one. I really like this one. This is like a really beautiful one. And this one as well. So 6 sheets for 99 cents, and as you can see, they're actually already cut up in like little strokes, so you can just cut these little strokes the way you want them. They have different sizes as well, so I think that's a pretty good deal for like 99 cents. And next up are some striping tapes, and I got 3 different sizes again, and this one is the 1mm. These are all like glittery striping tapes, and the 1ml costs €1.04. So let's just show you the different colors. So there's like a light blue, a dark blue, a multicolored, a pink, a silver, a purple, a green, and a gold, and these are 2, 3, 4, 8 different ones in one set. So you do have to select the size you want, but you do get 8 different colors. And then the other ones are actually the same. Let's see, also 4 colors in each, and this is the 2mm one, and this is the 3mm one, like the how do you call that in English? Like how wide they are. That's what I meant to say. But I really do think it's a really good deal actually, and the bigger ones were €1.30, so that's still pretty much a good deal. Then I also got for €1.25 this cute little Born Pretty stamping plate. This one it's like the Summer Born Pretty X33, and it all has like cute ice creams and like an ice cream card on it, and I think this is just so cute to use for a summery ice cream-ish nail art with like some pastel colors or some pastels and like a bright white and neon yellow or something. I'm really looking forward to using this one. Then I only have 5 items left, and the last, like one of the last items is this one. This is like a half wheel of like oval shaped pearlescent like studs, and these are the same sizes and shape, but this is like a pink holographic stud. I really like these. I also got these in like a square shape, and I use them a lot. They're really pretty. And I got this one. I don't know if I already said for how much I got these, but these were 93 cents for like the entire wheel. Another nail wheel I got, and this one was 99 cents. Has a lot of different multicolored, kind of like opalescent finishes, like little hearts, little stars, little flowers, like a lot of different stuff. And I think these are really cute to use on like a really girly-ish nail art, but you could actually also use them on your face to like spice up your eye makeup a little bit or something. I think these are really cute to like add to the inner corner of the eye or underneath the lower lash line. But I didn't have like a wheel like this yet. But for less than €1, I was like, let's just try it, because there actually is a pretty decent amount of embellishments in this wheel. The last nail wheel I got is this one, and this one I bought for, let me have a look, €1.06. And this one is like true diamond shaped, opalescent, like soft pastel colors. And these are just so pretty, especially the white ones and the soft blue, like the lavender blue kind of colors. I think they're really, really beautiful. They do have the gold backings. That's not really a problem to me personally, but I do feel like these are so beautiful. Just look at that green. That is stunning. And just for a little over €1, I was like, I want them. I want them so bad. And if you do have like questions about this seller, I got it in super fast today. Now I'm recording this video, it is the 29th of January, and I ordered it on the 19th, so it only took like a little over 9 days before I got it in, so that was pretty cool. Then one of the last things is this little pot, and I actually got a little like sponge applicator with it, but personally I won't use this because in here are little like opalescent, like unicorn skin, unicorn faces. And I'm just going to show you all these little faces. I always have trouble with these things. Let me get my tweezers, because this isn't going to work at all. Yes, there we go. So there are a ton of little unicorns in here, and I'm just going to try and pick one out. It's actually kind of hard to get them out, like just one. Okay, so this is one of the unicorns, and as you can see, it's really like girly, like magical, with like an opalescent unicorn skin like texture, or like reflects. It's really pretty. They are super cute, and let's see how big they are on the nail. It's actually pretty decent. I think a lot of girls can wear these even if you don't have like super long nails, because usually the nail comes up to here. I'll just put it on this one because my natural tip is shining through, so I can actually see. I think everyone can wear this. They're not that big, but they're not too small either, so you can actually really see it is a unicorn. I love them, and I got these for 74 cents, and I got an entire pot of them. So that is pretty cool. And then the last thing I got is this green like nail brush, and I'm just going to use this to brush off all of the dust you can get from filing your nails and stuff like that. And I got this one for 87 cents. It is a really rough one, so please be gentle with other people when you do other people their nails, because it is kind of a rough one, and you don't want to hurt people like their cuticle area and their fingers and just their skin in general. But I do feel like this is a pretty sturdy little brush, so you can actually brush kind of hard if it is on yourself. Always be gentle when you work with other people though. Just on a side note of that. But that was actually my entire haul. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions, if you want to know like some specific links or something, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.